You own a business, looking to create awesome website for it? Then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Belly Tech Services. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Belly Tech are expert in services like graphic designing. They will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their website on www.bellytechservices.com.
They used to say, opportunity knock but once. When an opportunity comes, take good use of it and use it as it is. And when it is gone, because you have nothing to lose. This is a newly USDT platform that is just out. As we all know, you invest in them and you earn every single day, and by passing your initial deposit and having small interest in it. For us not to waste time, we'll just jump into the show. If you know you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe this channel to join this family. If only you like videos like this of making money online or anything about the internet you wish to like or ask about. Also, don't forget to give this video a like and put your comment at the comment section of what you prefer we should do for you or help you with. Let's just jump into this video. So check in the description of this video, there is a link there to take you directly into the registration page, and this is how it will look like automatically when you're about to register. It is like this. So all you have to do is just, when you use the link, you see that there is a referral code there. If there is no referral code there, you can't register, you have to get one. So that's why you are supposed to use the link. So this is the referral code that will be there. Now then, what you have to do is just to enter your email address, password, and you press sign up. So entering an email address, you can enter any email address because I'm registering this account for educational purpose. I just want to use it to teach you how you can register. So let me just enter any email account. After all, they will not ask me to confirm anything. All that, they will just send me directly into the dash page of it, and that will just be it all. So then you sign up. Now when you sign up, there are a reference that they are giving. Let's read this. They say, welcome to Morrison Small. We solemnly promise that this platform will never be closed. Company official website. This is their website. Contact customer service, and this now open to the individual users. Anyone can invest with paid automatic payment to your account 24 hours a day. Register to receive 50 USDT. The minimum recharge is $10 and withdrawal limit is 2.3 USDT. So the minimum withdrawal, the limit you can withdraw is this per day. Withdrawal time is 1 when you are into level 1. So the level 1 you can withdraw 2.3 a day, and withdrawal time is which is 1 time, and withdrawal time is 7 to 24 good hours, unlimited. You receive your money. You don't even take that time, but assuring if there is a challenges, that is how it will take. So in level 2 we have, which is the 60 USDT investment principle, which is $10 daily commission, and this is what they are assuring you. So just type on next and you read everything. You said I know now. Now when you finish registration, every new account will let you spin and get free USDT. So spinning it, you've gotten free USDT of 30 USDT. So all you have to do is just to cut it off. Come here, me at the right corner of your phone like this. There is me there. Type on that me. Now they have already given you 50 USDT, and all you have to do is to recharge or deposit money into this, and you just purchase the VIP and you start earning your money. That is how it is. So to do this, you go to the VIP, which is here. VIP is in this section. They said this is VIP in M1, which is level 1, upgrade log 1. All you have to do is the taxes, the daily tax is 1, and simple interest is 0.3, and the total profit you get from this, if you are to do it every day till the time your daily, this is your level 1 will finish, is 839.50 USDT. Let's say you just use 110 USDT. Let's check it now at a rate of Ghana. Let's go. If you are doing it right now, we have to check the rate. We are checking the rate of something. Let's just do this. $1 to okay. Now currently $1 is 13 cedis 24 pesos. 13 cedis 24 pesos, and you have to buy 13 cedis 24 pesos, using that to buy as $1. So let's check how much is going to be that $10 that they are talking of. How much are we using and how much are we earning? So we go back to our calculator here, then we enter $10 multiplied by 13 cedis, 13.24, which is going to 132 cedis, 40 pesos. This is what you are going to use to buy this particular USDT. So let's check the amount that you earn in all when you finish this tax, and they said it's 839.50. 839.50. So 839.5. Is it? That's yes, 839.5. 839.5 multiplied by 13.24. So in all you are going to get 11,114.98 pesos. So you are going to get 11,000, which is 11, like I said 111 million, which is the 11,000. As you all know, 100 million is not a small money in Ghana here, and this will not take you up to 1 month to complete this tax, because basically in every day you are earning $2. That is how it is, $2.30. So even if it is in 2 months or 3 months you complete this, it's not bad. So taking even a year to get this free without doing anything is something good. So I bet you can get it and you just register. So let's go to the website and I'll teach you how you can deposit or recharge into this. So this is the profit of it. Then you go to me again. Now in that me, you just come here and type on recharge. Now come on recharge. They are giving you the link here. They said please do not recharge order none. Do not recharge order none. TRC20, which is the trust wallet, trons in USDT, which is the USDT TRC20. That is what you can use to deposit. And if you know you don't have anywhere you can get this USDT from, then I'm here telling you better go and download Binance and register your Binance account. And after registration Binance account, you can buy your USDT through P2P trading. And if you know that is very hard, just put it as a comment section. I'll make a video of that, or and I'm about to even put videos of that. Now we are starting about Binance, but this video just popped out. I have to show it to you. So all you have to do is just copy the link and go to any of just copy the link like this and go to your Binance or Trust Wallet, any of them, and just paste it. And after you finish, then within some few minutes it will appear here. $10 will be added to this 50 USDT, and that USDT is equivalent to US dollars. And all you have to do is after it comes, you go to the VPN and just type on this. So as far as the money is there, the recharge balance is automatically unlocked. Need to recharge. So when you charge it, it will automatically it will be unlocked, so that you just press confirm and it will start. Then after it do that, it will then come back. They'll give you daily tax. You come back to tax. In every day they'll give you a tax here. So all you have to do is just to press on the tax and complete the tax, and they'll give you the money, which is 2.3 USDT. And all you have to do is just to come at a withdrawal this, and all you have to do is go to your USDT wallet or your Binance wallet or any of the USDT banks that you get your USDT from. Just to pick your TRS20 wallet, come and paste it here and enter the amount you add to Rodol, which is $2.30 as daily every day, and put in a password. Then the password you use to create it is what you are going to use. No, that is not it. So forgetting, we have to go and set our password. So just follow me. You set your Rodol password. Set your Rodol password. Sorry, you can use the same password. This isn't like the others. If it was like the others, they'll put Rodol password there. You just to set this, and you enter your password and press confirm, and it will be Rodol into your account. Thank you for being into this channel always, and always staying with us and watch our videos. We are highly welcome. Please, we thank you. Please, if you know you are new watching this, just join this family. Give this video a thumbs up. Join our channel. I know this channel has been on a scrap now, but we are bringing it out because we ever faces some challenges through our monetization, that because of that we couldn't proceed. We got fed up because we have put in more effort and we got these challenges out, but the chance has come for us to start again. So please, you people, to help us and let's grow this channel. Please just stick to this and always get videos like this. Thank you, and you are welcome.